function, or we can say mapping also. F such that x to y. A function is given which maps elements of x to elements of y. X and y are sets in this manner. These are the elements of x and these are the elements of y. Now f is a function which maps a to b, b to q in this manner. This is called mapping. Here also, this is also a mapping. Now, in terms of mapping of function, f is 1 1 mapping, or we can say the function is 1 1. Then, in case of 1 1 mapping, one element of x will map to one element of y. That will be 1 1. Any direction, it doesn't matter that in order, any order, because this is a set. Then 1 1 mapping. 1 1 mapping is also known as injective. 1 1 mapping is known as injective. And if the function is 1 1 and into, not onto, into and onto, here we see the term into and onto. If any element is remaining in set y, second set, which is not having a pre-image of any element of first set, not having the pre-image. See here t, here t is not having any pre-image, then it is not onto. This function is into. And if the function, there is no element remaining in second set which are not having any pre-image from first, then this is onto function. This is into function and this is onto. 1 to 1 mapping, that 1 1 also. This is into function, not onto. This is onto. Now f is not onto. If not onto, that it is also known as surjective. Onto means not onto, means surjective. And if into, it means surjective. If function is 1 1 and onto both, then it is bijective. 1 1 also and onto, then that is known as the bijective. Actual 1 1 mapping, see here. 1 1 mapping, each element of x has the distinct image in y. Such a function is, or a mapping is 1 1. Onto, corresponding to each element of y, there is a pre-image in x. Such a mapping is known as onto. Many one. If two or more than two elements having one image in y, two elements of x will have one image in y, that is known as many one. Two or more than two. This is also a function. Many one is also a function. And one many, it is not a function. One element of x will have two or more than two images in y, that is one many, is not a function. Here also domain, these terms we will understand: domain, codomain and range. Domain, the set x is known as domain, and here the complete set Y is known as codomain, and the set which has the image of X, that is known as range. Here in this example, P set of P, Q, R and S is range because they are having the pre-image, they are having the image. And this, if you include this T also, P, Q, R, S and T, that is codomain. This is domain, codomain, and these elements having a set have only P, Q, R, S, that is known as the range.